How to add, import, and edit users in Levelup. Let us see how you can add, import, and edit users for your corporate training courses in Levelup. A trainee or learner can be added to Levelup in two ways. They can either register themselves or when an admin sends them a request. So how can an admin add users? Start by logging into your admin account. On the sidebar menu, click on the Settings option. On the drop-down menu that opens, click on the Users icon. You will be redirected to the Users page. In this page, you will find an option to Create New in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You will be redirected to the Add User page now. Here you will be able to add users. The maximum number of users will be according to the plan you are on. Start with selecting the department that the user will belong to. Then enter the first and last name of the user, along with their official email address. Choose the user group you want the user to be included in. You can choose from admin, learner, or trainer. Once you are done, click on Save. You will get a pop-up confirmation, and the user will be added to the list. Now let us find out how you can import users. To do that, you need to navigate to the Users page. Before you import users, make sure that you have an MS Excel spreadsheet ready with their names and other information, in a specific format. Click on the Import Users button, just beside Create New. A new pop-up will open. Here you will need to upload the Excel sheet. Make sure that you click on Download and check the format before uploading. Click on the Browse button to upload the file, and when you are done, simply click on Import. Within a few minutes, your list of users will be imported to your Levelup environment. Finally, let us find out how you can update or edit the details of your users. Again, we will start from the Users page. Here you will have the list of users who have already been added to the platform. Click on the Settings, ellipsis, button beside the user you want to edit. You will be redirected to the Edit User page, where you can edit all the information about the specific user. Do not forget to check out our other tutorial videos to use the Levelup platform like a pro.